What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a Sarojini Nagar haul. So मैं recently Delhi गई थी and how even is a Delhi trip complete without going to Sarojini Nagar. This was I think मेरा third time going to Sarojini Nagar. Obviously मैं pro नहीं हूँ Sarojini Nagar के गलियों में and like shops में, but मुझे थोड़ा सा idea आ गया है कि कैसे you know how to maneuver around it. And इस बार मैं सारे shops के number भी लिख के आई हूँ just in case you guys are from Delhi and you guys want to go and get these similar kind of pieces. Sarojini Nagar literally every time सरप्राइजेज मी इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. एंड ऑल्सो मैं तीसरी बार गई हूँ एंड तीसरी बार भी मैं विंटर सीजन में ही गई हूँ. सो अगेन आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ कोट्स एंड जैकेट्स एंड स्वेटर्स which I cannot use in Mumbai, but I love collecting them for some reason. I love winter wear. So yeah, that's what's happening in today's video. Let's get started. So सबसे पहले enter करते ही I went to shop number 103. To be precise, opposite 103, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे amazing coats, trench coats थे. Honestly, there were so many amazing pieces that I found, but I just got two because मेरे पास already बहुत सारे coats हैं जो मैंने पहने नहीं है. So I was like, I'm going to control myself, just pick two that I really like. So the first one that I picked up is in this flannel print and it's a beautiful green and blue, very classic combination, and this was for 200 rupees. One thing, if you don't know, if you've never bought stuff from Sarojini Nagar, you're probably thinking कि इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, ये आपको warmth प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगा. दैट इज नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल बिकॉज मेरे पहले की भी जो सरोजनी नगर के कपड़े हैं, व्हेनेवर आई वेयर देम इन लाइक सर्टन लाइक कोल्ड पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया या आउट ऑफ इंडिया व्हाटएवर, दे आर ऑलवेज सुपर वार्म. जस्ट द अदर डे आई वाज टॉकिंग टू माय सिस्टर हु इज इन कैनेडा राइट नाउ. मुझे बोल रही थी कि सरोजनी नगर के कपड़े कैनेडा की ठंडी को भी यू नो हीट प्रोवाइड कर पा रहे, विच इज अमेजिंग. एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो इज सुपर वार्म and it looks amazing. Next I got this purple lavender sort of a trench coat jacket, and this literally reminds me of Blair Waldorf because, and like Gossip Girl in general, because this is the kind of fabric that she used to wear a lot. And this one was also for 200 rupees. बहुत ही cool piece लगा मुझे ये. इसके बाद मैंने दो pants भी pick up की and I got both of them from shop number 41 के सामने रोड पे ही एक street vendor थे. So the first one that I picked up was in this brown color and I love this print, especially for the winter and just like the cold weather. I feel like these kinds of prints look really nice. And to be honest, pants लेते वक्त I'm a little bit apprehensive because the fit is a very hit or miss, and iska I would say was not a miss completely. It's okay. Like I don't love the fit of this one, but for 150 rupees I'm not gonna mind it. And then the second pair of pants that I got are the ones that I'm wearing right now. Black color के trousers है ये. मेरे पास black color के थोड़े loose fitted trousers नहीं थे जो मैं blazer के ऊपर पहन सकती थी. And I found an amazing piece for 150 rupees again. I feel like it's such a steal. वो weird crotch के यहाँ पे भी वो lines नहीं आती. Fits my hips also perfectly, even my thighs. And then there's a perfect like wideness to the feet also. It's just a really good fitted pair of pants. Okay, how can it even be like a winter Sarojini haul without sweaters and cardigans and woolen wear? मुझे shop number 7 पे इतने अच्छे sweaters, jackets, whatever वो सब मिला, and they had a really good collection. 90% of what I'm going to show you is from that place. So I picked up this cropped sweater. It has like a psychedelic print. हार्ट्स है, ब्लैक व्हाइट एंड ग्रे कलर है, ब्लैक जीन्स के साथ कितना ऑसम लगेगा विद लाइक बूट्स. एंड देन इफ यू वांट टू लेयर यू कैन पुट ऑन लाइक अ ब्लेजर ऑल्सो. आई जस्ट फील लाइक इट्स सच अ कूल वेरी जेंजी पीस फॉर 150 रुपीज. ब्लोज माई माइंड. अगर मेरे घर के पास सरोजनी नगर होता, H&M, Zara, what even is that? I wouldn't go to these places. What a great find. Then we have this mint green sweater. This is a heavy duty sweater. ये मुझे 200 रुपए में मिला. Again, not bad at all. Not complaining. It's so warm and it's just so cute. मुझे कहीं भी कुछ डिफेक्ट नहीं मिला. Especially जब मैं knitwear ले रही थी, मैं एकदम ही ध्यान से सब जगह पे देख रही थी कि कहीं holes ना हो, कहीं पे कुछ फटा हुआ ना हो. Because last time जब मैं गई थी सरोजनी, I was just like picking everything up, and then when I came home, I saw so many holes. So I was really careful this time. So be careful if you end up going. फिर मैंने एक येलो कलर का स्वेटर भी पिकअप किया. This is actually not for me, which is why I haven't tried it on. I got this for Mevish, who is Alfia's sister. Basically हम last time जब दिल्ली गए थे एक event के लिए हम सरोजनी भी जाने वाले थे, but then it started raining. If you guys have seen the vlogs, you would know. And she was so upset about not going to Sarojini, so I wanted to pick something up for her. Another yellow sweater. This was also supposed to be a gift. I had gotten this for Madhura, but then she rejected the piece. उसको पता नहीं था ये मैं gift लाई हूँ. She said it's too yellow, so I'll give her something else. But did she not say this? Anyway, so I'll use it. I really like it. थोड़ा सा long है, cropped नहीं है, but बहुत ही गर्म है. This was again for 200 rupees. Another gift. So this I picked up for Adya, who is Aditya's sister. I have this lavender color का एक sweater है मेरे पास जो she loves. So I was like, this is kind of similar. I hope she likes it. 200 rupees का था. Again, very warm, heavy duty, and it looks super cute on. Another cropped sweater which is kind of matching the background perfectly. ये मुझे 150 rupees के लिए मिला था, and I just love the colors. I love the navy blue with the orange and then the teal that like peeks in. बहुत ही cool piece है. Again with just like blue wash denims. इतना amazing लगेगा ये. Very nice, very good quality. 150 rupees के लिए क्या ही बुरा है. Then we have this dusty powder blue. It's a little bit like dull, more on the grey side, but I loved it. It has like an off shoulder. It's a little bit baggy. You can layer it with like a lacy bra also. I love how this looks. Fits, feels. 150 rupees. And then the last sweater that I picked up is a plain white one. But this is from Bershka. At least that's what the label says. It looks quite authentic. क्या पता अब. But हाँ, it has those little like holes which are intentional, like fashion. You know, मुझे बहुत cool लगा. मेरे पास I don't think एक भी अच्छा white sweater है जो मैंने last time लिया था सरोजनी से, वो फट गया था, 3 साल पहले लिया था. तो I got another one. 200 rupees. I've picked up 2 cardigans and I love both of them. The first one is this purple one. Really cool. I love the color. 200 rupees का था ये. And इतनी अच्छी fit है. The buttons are also really nice. The knit work is great. And the last cardigan, it's like again very like Gen Z kind of a print. Clouds बने हुए हैं इस पे. And ये थोड़ा सा पतला material का है. So I can actually wear this in Mumbai with like a cami and like jeans. बहुत ही cool लगेगा. I love this one. 150 by the way. Then I picked up some denim jackets from shop number 14. So pura shop number 14 was full of denim jackets, black jackets, blue, dark wash, light wash, white. They literally had so many different varieties. And I picked 3 up because मेरे पास एक भी denim jacket नहीं है. मेरे पास एक था which I loved, but then I don't know where I misplaced it. And तब से मैं आदित्य का चुरा के पहनती हूँ. So I was like, you know what, it's time for me to get my own pieces. So ये dark wash है जो मैंने लिया है, and the quality, I am personally really impressed by like the quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. You know वो एकदम ही पतला polyester material का denim होता है, which is not even denim. It's not that. This is proper heavy duty denim, and I love the color, the fit of this as well. It's like a little bit more baggy. It's not a fitted denim jacket. It's a very loose and casual one, which I love. I can throw this on top of dresses also, of course tops के अंदर भी पहन सकती हूँ, but I just love this one. And this one was for 500 rupees. A little bit expensive like for Sarojini standards, but I feel like it's worth like 500 rupees for sure. Then I got a light wash. I love light wash denims because they go with everything. Honestly, denims go with everything, कोई भी shade हो. But ये वाला shade मेरा particularly favorite है. इसमें pockets भी है side में, and I love the color, love the fit. 500 rupees again. And then the last denim jacket that I picked up, this was in between the 2 colors. बहुत dark भी नहीं है, बहुत light भी नहीं है, in between है. And ये cropped jacket है. मैंने सोचा एक cropped भी ले ही लेते हैं. 500 rupees का था ये, फिर से अच्छा फिट है ओवरऑल. एंड ऐसे वियर्ड से नीचे स्ट्रैप्स भी कुछ तो निकल रहा है, कूल लग रहा है, एकदम एजी सा लुक दे रहा है. आई कुड नॉट मिस बाइंग एक्सेसरीज. आई लव एक्सेसरीज, इयररिंग्स, स्पेशली फ्रॉम सरोजनी नगर, बिकॉज बहुत ही क्वर्की एंड अलग सा माल मिलता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो ऑपोजिट गोयल फैब्रिक्स द शॉप, उसके सामने एक आंटी बैठी थी with the most amazing earrings. I've never seen earrings like these. It is a little bit tricky to style really out there earrings, but if you do, your outfit is elevated to another level. So the first one that I picked up is this orange and blue earrings. I love the combination of orange and blue, as I mentioned earlier in this video, and I cannot wait to try these on. Then I got a plain black. I love how Indo-Western these are. Like you can wear this with Indian stuff also. You can wear this with Western stuff also. And it'll give it like a very different kind of a look. Then we have these green dangly earrings. मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है when earrings have like a flow to them, like they move around. Very difficult to explain, but वो पहन के बहुत pretty लगता है. And I got these green and black ones. Again, a very tricky color. But I feel like if you're wearing a full black outfit, these can really like up your game. Then I also picked up some basic boho earrings. Very cute, with shells all over it. It's white, so easier to pair comparatively. And then we have actual seashells. Again, easier to pair because it's in like the white nude family. You can basically wear this with any kind of dress, tropical dress situation. Oh, and then I got these pearl hoops. Very cute. Again, very, very easy to style overall. I love silver jewelry, but I have a lot of it. So I didn't want to pick up too many earrings, but I don't have a lot of like bracelets and like handcuffs and stuff like that. So the first one that I picked up is this really fun one. थोड़ी सी पायल भी लगी हुई है इस पे, and it's like a proper cuff. It's very, very cool. And then I got another similar looking one. If you just like put on a kurti, wear silver earrings, put this on, and then leggings and kolhapuris. I feel like it's like the most ideal outfit for me, and I love these. And finally, the last two things that I picked up were bathrobes, and these were the most comfy, snuggly bathrobes ever. The first one that I picked up is something that you are going to see really soon in an upcoming video. Let's just say that. So we have this flannel bathrobe. This literally gives me Christmas vibes max, and इतना ज़्यादा soft और comfy है ये. I'm just so impressed. And जहाँ से मैंने ये लिया, they had such cool print. There was like a zebra print, there were daisies. हर टाइप का बाथरोब आप जो सोच सकते थे उनके पास था. And the last bathrobe that I picked up was this really cute blue color. थोड़ा सा अलग blue है ये, और मुझे बहुत सही लगा. The only thing that I'm a little bit mad about at myself only कि वहाँ पे एक लोगो है साइड में. कोई तो होटल का है या कोई ब्रांड का है. मैंने देखा नहीं जब मैं खरीद रही थी, so I picked it up. It's my fault, but it's so soft and snuggly. And yeah, with that, I'm going to end my haul. I hope आपको मजा आया, and I'm going to make sure to link all of my information. Link नहीं, मैं लिख दूंगी सारे shop numbers जहाँ से मैंने जो भी लिया है, in case you guys are interested. In case you are like me, not a local Delhiite, I hope this information is useful to you. ये मेरा बहुत ही raw experience था, and मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें मिली, at least I think so. So let me know what you thought about the video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!